In today's free tutorial, we're going to show you how to see who has visited your profile on TikTok completely for free on iOS, Android, Play Store, and computer. If you found value, drop this video a like, share the video, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. You want to learn how I create content online and save hundreds of hours per year? Click the link down below, scan the QR code, and enjoy the tutorial. The first step is once TikTok is open up and loaded, click on the bottom right hand screen where it says profile, and then go on the top right hand screen right here, and then click the fourth option which says settings and privacy. And basically under account, or the first option or tab, if you scroll up, you want to click the second option underneath account and above security and permissions which says privacy. Once loaded, you want to scroll down on the TikTok page until you get to the bottom screen right here, and you want to click this option on the bottom right hand screen, profile views, which is above blocked accounts and below post views for the shoe icon. And as you can see, it's currently enabled because it's color blue. So if we were to click on it, it's now disabled and then it's re-enabled. You can read this here if you want because this will tell you what this means here on TikTok. But basically, if we were to click back, we go under to our TikTok profile and refresh the page. We can click this icon on the top right hand screen, as you can see, the shoe icon right here. And this will basically show you who has viewed your TikTok profile, or you have successfully enabled profile views on TikTok, at least within the past 30 days. Again, if you want to learn how you can save hundreds of hours and money online per year creating content, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and thanks for watching this tutorial.